Hello everyone, and welcome back to another English lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about subject pronouns and object pronouns. These are some of the most important words in English because we use them in almost every sentence. They help us avoid repeating names and make our English sound more natural and fluent. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns, how to use them correctly, and how to avoid common grammar mistakes. So, let's get started. Subject and object pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. There are two main types: subject pronouns, object pronouns. 1. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns tell us who performs the action in a sentence. They usually come before the verb. Subject pronouns. Subject pronoun example: I am happy. You are my friend. He plays football. She is a doctor. It is raining. We study English. They live in Canada. More examples: I love English. You speak very well. He works in a bank. She likes music. It looks beautiful. We play football every weekend. They're students. 2. Object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action in a sentence. They usually come after the verb or after a preposition. Object pronouns. Object pronoun example: me, she helps me. You, I know you. Him, we saw him yesterday. Her, they called her. It, can you open it? Us, the teacher teaches us. Them, I invited them. More examples: please help me. I can see you. We like him. They visited her yesterday. Open it carefully. She invited us. I know them very well. Subject pronouns versus object pronouns. Subject-object. I, me. You. He, him. She, her. It. We, us. They, them. Examples. Example 1. He is my friend. I see him every day. Example 2. She is a teacher. We like her. Example 3. They are my classmates. The teacher knows them. Example 4. We are ready. They invited us. Example 5. I have a new phone. My brother called me. After prepositions. Object pronouns are also used after prepositions. Examples: this gift is for you. She is talking to him. The teacher is speaking with us. The picture belongs to them. Come with me. Common mistakes. Cross mark, me, am tired. White heavy check mark, I am tired. Cross mark, him is my brother. White heavy check mark, he is my brother. Cross mark, she likes I. White heavy check mark, she likes me. Cross mark, they invited we. White heavy check mark, they invited us. Cross mark, the teacher is talking to he. White heavy check mark, the teacher is talking to him. Practice. Choose the correct answer. Underscore is my best friend. He/him. She called underscore. I/me. We invited underscore. They/them. Underscore are learning English. We/us. Can you help underscore? I/me. Answers: he, me, them, we, me. Memo lesson summary. Today we learned: subject pronouns perform the action. Object pronouns receive the action. Subject pronouns usually come before the verb. Object pronouns usually come after the verb or after a preposition. Quick review. Subject-object. I, me. You. He, him. She, her. It. We, us. They, them. Clapperboard conclusion. Excellent work! Now you know how to use subject pronouns and object pronouns correctly in English. Practice by making your own sentences using both types of pronouns. The more you practice, the easier it will become to speak and write English naturally. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy learning English. Glowing star.